Hello, Soul Family.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you for tuning in and just coming with us to be here right now. We know that this whole, 2020, we just have been through it as a whole. And going into 2021 and just the impact of what we are all going through and the need for connection more so now than ever before, and the importance of staying connected on a deep heart level in conscious community and taking time to nourish ourselves. And so we are so excited just to offer you a time to be with us. We're going to do 90 minutes of just community gathering as our gift. We're really feeling called to be of service in this way so that we can come together and connect on that deep level.
Yeah, so if you have felt the calling to be more in community and needing to share and be vulnerable and connect, we really want to hold the container for anyone who feels called to that. And we're just going to drop in and get intimate and share from our deepest hearts and share our experiences over the last year and a half and really create a container of community to realize we're not alone. We're experiencing very similar things and that we are all here for each other to rise together. And this is our offering. So we love you all, and we can't wait to see every single one of you that feels called to this.
Yes, and our work is conscious relating, right? So bring your stuff. We want to support what you're going through. And we know that this time has brought up a lot of stuff in partnership.
Oh, yeah.
And so as the wind is blowing and we can feel the medicine of the wind supporting all of our growth and clearing, we just ask that you join us and you show up with an open heart, and we will hold the safety of a really loving, grounded container for authentic sharing. And we're also there to offer some support to those who are desiring that. So we love you, and we can't wait to be with you, and we'll see you soon.
Love you guys.